Hi, this is the post-weekly review on what I had said on my daily focus on the Discord server and what the markets have done. Throughout the week, I was looking for dollar short positions against all major currencies, and I said currencies like Euro, CAD, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar are most likely to rise against the US dollar. And at the same time, I was expecting a bullish move to come in on the indices. So every day I post in my focus on the economy and what I expect for the markets to do, including all the tail risk events that we need to consider. If any of these events happen, we can see a market crash coming. So on the 17th, I was expecting the dollar to fall, but throughout the week, I had said the exact same thing. And I said, I'm looking for short position of the US dollar indices to rise. And on the 19th, I said exactly the same thing. I'm looking for a short on the US dollar. I'm looking for, on the 20th, I said the same thing. There were no further economic changes that could have relevantly said that dollar is in more demand than compared to another currency. And we're looking for dollar short positions. Let's head over to the charts and see how the markets have performed. So here we have on the chart a direction, and I've marked this on a vertical line with marking the 17th of May up to the 21st of May. As you can see, the markets had eventually gone down. On the Discord server, in the membership area, I clearly define how do you trade the markets. So if we look at the currency pairs with all the majors, we have dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss was heading out on the lower side. There were more trades on the sell position as we're looking for dollar shorts and Swiss franc to rise. Dollar CAD, same thing. There were more positions, more trades to the downside. Then we have dollar yen. You have more trades to the downside again, and a lot of opportunities come in. If you're wondering what the horizontal lines are, these horizontal lines represent cluster levels. Cluster levels are clearly defined in the membership area. They're nothing more than clusters of orders sitting there prior to the market move. So these are future orders. They are not related to anything in the past. These are not supply and demand levels. They are cluster levels. So to trade the cluster levels, we just use trend lines and candlestick patterns around the cluster level areas. I mark them, and these levels are given to the members on the Discord server every single day. The red lines are daily clusters, while the black lines are more stronger, and they are weekly cluster levels. So moving on, we have Aussie dollar. The expectation for the Aussie dollar was to rise, okay, with Australian dollar rising. And we're still looking for a rise position right around here. We have pound dollar. From the 17th to the 19th, we could see a rise, and there were more trades on the upside than the short side. Euro, the same thing. We could see euro rising against the dollar, and there were a lot of positions that one could have taken on an intraday scale or a medium-term scale and have very good entries and good profits. Now, on the index front, let me just mark this quickly. This is the 17th. I was expecting a dip in the market, and I was expecting the prices to rise. This area right here has a clear patterns coming through for a rise in the indices. This is US 500, S&P 500, the index. This is US 100. Look at those opportunities. They have more opportunities on the buy side. That's the fundamental direction that I had mentioned. And this is Dow Jones Industrial Average. FTSE 100 also followed with the same uptrend. So did DAX. So this is the weekly review. Thank you for watching.